Would you believe these strong roots started with old cardboard boxes? It's true. What most people throw away can become a gardener's secret weapon. Today, I'll show you two powerful ingredients that transform plain cardboard into a root-boosting powerhouse. This trick doesn't just save waste, it builds richer soil, holds more moisture, and makes your plants thrive with almost no extra effort. Whether you've got a big backyard or just a few pots, this simple method works anywhere, and the results might surprise you. Welcome back to the Evergreen Seniors, where life never stops blooming. If you love seeing your garden thrive without breaking your back or your budget, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a simple soil secret that even beginners can master. No digging, no fancy tools, and no expensive fertilizers. This trick helps your soil stay rich, soft, and full of life, so your plants can grow stronger roots and produce more blooms, all while cutting down your garden chores. Whether you're tending to a backyard patch or a few flower pots on your porch, this method fits every lifestyle and age. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's learn how to make gardening easier, smarter, and more rewarding. Because here at the Evergreen Seniors, we believe every gardener deserves to enjoy the beauty of nature without the backache. Here's something most people don't realize. Cardboard isn't just trash. It's garden gold in disguise. Cardboard is naturally rich in carbon, and carbon is exactly what your soil's tiny helpers, the microbes, love to feed on. When you layer or bury cardboard beneath your garden bed, something amazing happens. It starts to break down slowly, creating a cozy home for earthworms, fungi, and beneficial bacteria. These hidden workers turn your soil into a living, breathing ecosystem. As the cardboard decomposes, earthworms tunnel through it, loosening compacted dirt and improving drainage. Fungi spread their delicate white threads, connecting plant roots in an underground network that shares nutrients and water. And those good bacteria, they help convert organic matter into food your plants can actually use. Together, they build a foundation for stronger, healthier roots that can reach deeper and resist stress. But the magic doesn't stop there. That cardboard layer also acts like a natural weed barrier, blocking sunlight and smothering unwanted growth. Over time, the cardboard melts into the soil, leaving behind nothing but rich, dark earth ready to nourish your plants. And the best part? You're recycling something you already have, saving money and reducing waste at the same time. So next time you unpack a box, don't toss it. Tear it into pieces, lay it under your mulch, or use it to line your raised beds. You'll be amazed at how such a simple step can transform your garden from the ground up. It's one of those little secrets that makes gardening not just easier, but more connected, reminding us that even the simplest materials can bring new life when we give them purpose. Because in the garden, just like in life, what we choose to nurture always finds a way to grow. The two secret ingredients. Now, here's where the magic really happens. Once you've laid down your cardboard, it's time to give nature a little boost. With two secret ingredients that turn this simple layer into a living soil factory. These aren't fancy or expensive. In fact, you probably already have them nearby. First, sprinkle a layer of compost or aged manure right over the cardboard. This step is crucial because cardboard is high in carbon, and your compost adds the perfect balance, nitrogen. When carbon and nitrogen meet, microbes wake up and start feasting. They begin breaking everything down, releasing nutrients, and building a thriving ecosystem right under your feet. You can think of compost as the protein your soil needs. It gives structure, strength, and energy to the life below the surface. Second, grab a watering can and mix in a spoonful of molasses. Yes, that same sweet syrup you might have in your kitchen. Molasses is packed with natural sugars and minerals that act as instant fuel for soil microbes. When you pour it over the compost and cardboard, it's like ringing the dinner bell. Suddenly, your soil comes alive. Microbes multiply, earthworms move closer, and the whole process of decomposition speeds up naturally. Together, these two ingredients, compost and molasses, work in perfect harmony. The compost provides the nutrients and organic matter, while the molasses gives those microbes the quick energy they need to do their job faster and better. It's nature's teamwork at its finest. And what's beautiful about this method is how gentle it is. Gentle on your body, your wallet, and the planet. No digging, no harsh chemicals, and no waste. Just a slow, natural rhythm that builds better soil every day. Within weeks, that cardboard begins to disappear, replaced by rich, dark, crumbly earth that smells alive and feels soft between your fingers. It's proof that small, thoughtful actions can lead to powerful results. You're not just feeding your garden, you're creating a cycle of life, where even the simplest materials have purpose and potential. So next time you see an old box or a leftover bit of compost, remember, you're holding the ingredients for something extraordinary. Because in gardening, it's never about how much you have. It's about how wisely you use what's already in your hands. And sometimes, all it takes is a bit of compost, a spoon of sweetness, and a heart willing to work with nature, not against it. That's the real secret to soil that thrives, and a garden that never stops blooming. How to do it safely. For my seasoned gardeners out there, those who've spent years watching the seasons change, coaxing life from the soil, this part is especially for you. Gardening is one of the most rewarding joys in life, but it should never be painful or exhausting. So here's how to keep this cardboard method easy on your body, gentle on your joints, and still just as effective. First tip, use small sheets of cardboard instead of full boxes. Big boxes can be heavy and awkward to move around. By cutting them into smaller pieces, you make the work lighter and easier to handle, especially if you're working alone. It also helps the cardboard break down faster, giving your plants a quicker boost. Next, water the area first to soften the ground. This simple step does wonders. It makes laying down your cardboard smoother and helps it mold into the soil without extra effort. Plus, moist soil invites earthworms to the surface, giving you a head start on that living, healthy foundation we want to build. Always use gloves to protect your hands. Cardboard can have rough edges or staples hidden in the folds, and we don't want those little surprises. A good pair of gardening gloves keeps your hands safe, clean, and comfortable, so you can focus on the joy of planting, not the soreness afterward. And if bending is difficult, try using a long-handled trowel or consider a raised bed. These small adjustments can completely change your gardening experience. Raised beds bring the soil closer to you, so there's less strain on your back and knees. And a long-handled trowel gives you the same precision without all the bending. Remember, gardening is not a race. It's a rhythm, a dance with nature that rewards patience and care. The goal isn't to work harder, but to work smarter and kinder to your body. Every seed you plant and every small effort you make is part of a bigger story, one of growth, renewal, and joy. If you've been gardening for years, you already know that wisdom grows along with your plants. You've learned to listen to the soil, to rest when needed, and to celebrate the small wins, like the first green sprout after a dry season. These tips are just a way to help you keep enjoying that rhythm, without pain or pressure. So take it slow, stay comfortable, and remember, your garden doesn't need perfection, it just needs you. Your care, your patience, and your steady hands are what make it bloom. Because here at the Evergreen Seniors, we believe gardening should always be a joy, not a chore. You've earned the right to garden with grace, ease, and a smile. Here's the part every gardener loves, the results. Within just a few short weeks, you'll start to see the difference. Your soil will look darker, feel softer, and smell richer. That earthy scent that tells you life is happening beneath the surface. When you gently pull at a plant, you'll notice stronger, deeper roots gripping the ground, a sure sign that your garden's foundation is thriving. And your plants? They'll look happier, greener leaves, sturdier stems, and blooms that seem to hold their color just a little longer. This simple method, using old cardboard, compost, and a touch of molasses, quietly transforms your garden from the ground up. It's slow magic, the kind that works while you rest. No machines, no chemicals, no endless digging. Just nature doing what it does best, restoring balance, building life, and rewarding your patience. And the best part? You're helping the earth while helping your garden. Every time you recycle a piece of cardboard into your soil, you're keeping waste out of landfills and returning valuable carbon back to nature's cycle. You're creating a small ecosystem where nothing is wasted, where what was once considered trash becomes nourishment for new life. That's sustainability in its simplest and most beautiful form. Think about it. A single box that once carried your groceries or gifts now becomes part of a living network beneath your feet. It invites worms, nurtures microbes, and feeds the next generation of plants. That's the quiet miracle of gardening, turning ordinary things into extraordinary growth. And this is what makes gardening so meaningful, especially as we grow older and wiser. It reminds us that renewal is always possible, that with a little care and creativity, life can flourish again, even from the things we once overlooked. Every time you see a sprout push through the soil, you're witnessing hope, the earth's way of saying thank you. So keep going. Keep nurturing your soil, one small act at a time. Because the beauty of gardening isn't just in the flowers you see. It's in knowing you're part of something bigger. You're giving back to the planet, enriching your space, and leaving behind a legacy of care and growth. And remember, it all started with something as simple as an old cardboard box, proof that sometimes the most powerful changes begin with the things we almost throw away. At the Evergreen Seniors, we celebrate that truth every day, that life never stops blooming, and neither should we. Now I'd love to hear from you. Every gardener has a story, a clever trick, a small experiment, or a little moment of discovery that changed the way you grow. So here's a question for today's community moment. What's one thing you've recycled in your garden that made a big difference? Maybe it was turning kitchen scraps into compost, using old bottles as watering tools, or transforming cardboard, like we did today, into healthy, living soil. Whatever it was, your story matters. Share it in the comments below, because your simple idea could be the spark that inspires someone else to try something new. That's the beauty of gardening. It's not just about the soil and the plants. It's about the people who make it come alive. Every time you share a tip, a story, or even a small success, you're helping someone else believe that they can do it too. And don't worry if your garden isn't perfect. None of them are. Every patch of soil, every flower that blooms, even every failed attempt teaches us something. Maybe you reused old seed trays. Maybe you made fertilizer from banana peels. Or maybe you found a way to keep your garden thriving during dry weather. These are the lessons that make gardening such a shared journey. We grow together. Here at the Evergreen Seniors, our community is built on those shared moments, the wisdom that comes with experience, and the joy of passing it on. Whether you've been gardening for 40 years or just planted your first seed this week, your voice adds something special. So go ahead, drop your recycling success story in the comments. Let's fill this space with practical ideas, inspiration, and kindness. Because when we share what's worked for us, we help each other grow stronger, not just as gardeners, but as a community that believes in renewal, creativity, and care for the earth. And who knows, your one little idea might become someone else's breakthrough. That's how gardens and people keep blooming season after season. So don't be shy, join the conversation below, and let's keep this beautiful cycle of learning and giving alive. After all, the Evergreen Seniors isn't just about plants. It's about people who believe that life, like a garden, keeps growing when we share what we've learned. If this video gave you even a small spark of hope, that gentle reminder that life and growth can begin again, no matter your age or season, then don't keep it to yourself. Give it a like, share it with another gardener, and make sure you subscribe to the Evergreen Seniors. Because here, life never stops blooming. Every story we share, every tip we give, is about more than just gardening. It's about nurturing life, restoring purpose, and finding beauty in simple things. Maybe you've been gardening for decades, or maybe you've just started with a single potted plant. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you're part of a growing circle of people who believe that even small acts of care can make a big difference to the soil, to the planet, and to the soul. When you like and share this video, you're not just supporting a channel. You're helping build a community where wisdom and kindness take root. You're helping another gardener out there, someone who might be feeling discouraged or unsure, rediscover the joy of watching something grow again. And when you subscribe, you're joining a movement that celebrates the heart of gardening, patience, hope, and renewal. Here at the Evergreen Seniors, we believe gardening is more than a hobby. It's a way of life. It teaches us that growth takes time, that healing happens quietly, and that even in tough seasons, the roots we've planted still hold strong. Each like, each comment, and each share is a seed of encouragement that helps this community blossom a little more. So if this message touched your heart, don't let it end here. Pass it on. Share it with a friend, a neighbor, or someone who could use a little reminder that nature still works. Miracles every day. Because this isn't just about soil or seeds. It's about staying connected to life's rhythm. And every time we come together to share that rhythm, something beautiful happens. Gardens grow, hearts lift, and hope takes root once again. So, go ahead, tap that like button, share this with your garden-loving friends, and hit subscribe so you never miss a story that reminds you of what's possible. Because together, we're proving that no matter the season, no matter the age, life never stops blooming.